Hello and welcome to the traditional wooden puzzle named Barrel. I've already taken it apart. If you can't figure out how to take it apart, fast forward. At the end of this video I will show you how to take it apart. But let's put it together first. If you have a look at the pieces, there are two big pieces and 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 smaller pieces. Now let's look at these pieces here first. There is one piece with a little notch and 3 bridges with 2 pillars. 2 are identical. This one is a bit longer. Important. You have the rounded pieces and then you have this. No idea what this is called, but anyway, they look like this, whereas this one looks like this. Identical. These are identical too. I call it the bridge with 3 pillars. Okay, like this. Now, how do you put this back together? We're going to start with the 2 big pieces with the bridges with identical edges. And we put them in here. Now, if your puzzle is a bit new, like mine is, they might stick a bit, but don't worry about that. It should be fine. Okay, this is where we go next. Next, you put these 2 pieces together like this. Now, it takes a bit of practice holding this together with one hand, but you'll get there. Next, we take the bridge with 3 pillars likewise, and we put it in here. We do the same with this on the other side. So turn around this gently and put this like so in here. Okay. Next, we need one of these pieces, and we're just going to put it here. Okay, now you may have noticed this one goes up and down. That is important for later. Moving on, we take the bridge with uneven pillars and we slide it small edge right, long edge left. We slide it in here. All right. The middle moves up a little bit, like so. We take one of these and we slide it in here. Move this down. Turn the ball around. Now this is the tricky part. This one should fit in here. It's a bit tricky to move it up. There. Okay. Now we have this. Finally, we are left with these 2 pieces. You can make them into, I call it a kind of pickaxe, uneven pickaxe, likewise. And this pickaxe slots perfectly in here. There you go. The wooden barrel. Now, if you first received this puzzle and you have no idea how to take it apart, let me show you quickly. You need to take, there, it falls apart by itself. Yeah, the more you play with this puzzle, the easier it gets. Now, you need to look at the edges, these ones, and try to push down. If you can push down, that is where you start. You push this down and you have your pickaxe. Then you wiggle around the other pieces a little bit and they will dislodge. Okay, the other side. Don't force it. It should come easily. especially after doing this puzzle a few times. Okay, we have this piece, and now it basically just falls apart. There you go. Now if you want to put it back together again, go to the beginning of this video and you'll find out. You can do it. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.